Are you considering the MadMuscles app for your fitness journey? Before you commit, let's explore what the app offers, its strengths and weaknesses, and what real users are saying about their experiences. MadMuscles is a fitness application that provides a personalized workout and nutrition-based plan on user-inputted goals and preferences. It aims to offer tailored routines to help users achieve their fitness objectives, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or general health improvement. Key features include personalized workout plans, customized routines based on user goals, fitness level, and available equipment, nutrition guidance, progress tracking, tools to monitor workouts, and user-friendly interface. It's very intuitive design, and it's aimed at simplifying the user experience. While these features are appealing, it's essential to delve deeper into user experience to understand the app's effectiveness and reliability. Pros, we've got customized plans based on whatever individual goals you have. Comprehensive approach, combining exercise and nutrition, offers a holistic fitness solution. Motivational tools, features like progress tracking and achievements help keep users engaged. The billing issues is that numerous users support unexpected charges and difficulties in canceling subscriptions. Refund challenges. The refund policy requires users to complete specific conditions, and customer support concerns. Feedback indicates delays and unhelpful responses from the support team. We've also got somewhat of a generic plan. Reddit discussions highlight significant dissatisfaction among users. Common complaints include unauthorized charges, difficulties with cancellations, and unresponsive customer service. Some users have gone as far as labeling the app as a scam, citing experiences of being charged multiple times without clear consent. In summary, MadMuscles offers features that could benefit your fitness journey. The numerous reports of billing issues and customer service problems raise concerns, and it's crucial to thoroughly research and consider these factors before committing to the app. Always ensure that any fitness platform you choose aligns with your expectations and provides transparent policies. For more videos like this, like, subscribe, catch you in the next one.